Best foods against cancer with scientific proof. Did you know that many types of cancer can be prevented with simple dietary changes? Do natural foods have the power to protect our body against cancer cells? What if we told you that small adjustments to your diet could transform your health and reduce your risk of cancer? Today we will explore together the foods most studied by science, known for their anti-cancer properties. Prevention starts with smart choices and the power of nature on our side. This content is based on solid scientific research, and here you will find practical and surprising information. No matter where you are on your health journey, now is the time to learn and take action. Stay with us until the end and discover how to transform your diet to protect your health. Let's get started. Avocado, the superfood that could save your life. Avocado, one of the most consumed foods in Brazil, hides impressive powers that can protect your body against cancer. This fruit, known for its versatility and unique flavor, is rich in nutrients that strengthen your health and fight disease. But what makes avocado so special in fighting cancer? Research carried out at Ohio State University discovered that avocados contain a substance called glutathione, which acts directly on the elimination of precancerous cells. Additionally, glutathione helps stop the growth of malignant tumors and fight specific cancer cells, such as mouth, prostate, and leukemia, while protecting healthy cells. This means that, unlike treatments such as chemotherapy, it does not harm your body in a widespread way. To include avocado in a practical way in your routine, how about adding it to salads or breakfast? One slice a day can make a difference. And remember, it is much more than a fruit for desserts. Whether in guacamole, in smoothies, or even on toast, avocado is a smart and tasty choice for your health. Now that you know the impact this fruit can have on your body, here's the invitation. How will you start including avocado in your diet? The next food on our list also holds a powerful secret. Stay with us to find out. Flax seeds, the powerful secret hidden in the small seeds. Flax seeds may seem small and inconspicuous, but they are true allies in the fight against cancer. Rich in lignans, a compound with antioxidant properties, this superfood plays a fundamental role in preventing tumors. Did you know that lignans are capable of blocking cancerous processes and slowing down the growth of malignant cells? Clinical studies carried out with thousands of women diagnosed with breast cancer showed that the introduction of flaxseed into the diet significantly increased the patient's survival rate. This is because lignans not only inhibit the advancement of tumor cells, but also help balance hormonal levels, a crucial factor in preventing hormonal cancers, such as breast and prostate. To enjoy all the benefits of flaxseed, it is essential to consume it crushed, as the whole grain is not fully digested by the body. Try adding a tablespoon of crushed flaxseed to your yogurt, smoothie, or salad. Another option is to mix it with juices or use it as a complement in bread and cake recipes. Including flax seeds in your diet is a simple gesture that can bring impressive results. But don't stop here. The next food is a kitchen classic and hides properties that will surprise you. Stay tuned and discover how garlic can be a powerful natural remedy. Garlic, the natural remedy you have in your kitchen. Garlic, a common ingredient in many cuisines, is much more than a seasoning. It is a true natural medicine with proven properties in preventing and fighting cancer. Scientific studies indicate that garlic contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which have the ability to remove toxic and carcinogenic substances from the body. One of the most notable discoveries is the action of garlic against cadmium, a toxic substance present in cigarette smoke, responsible for increasing the risk of cancer. Additionally, garlic activates white blood cells, essential cells in the immune system, to destroy cancer cells. Research reveals that regular consumption of garlic can reduce the risk of lung, stomach, esophageal, and intestinal cancer by up to 30%. But how can you take advantage of these benefits in a practical way? The ideal is to consume garlic raw or lightly cooked, as excessive heat can destroy the active compounds. How about including 2 raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach in the morning? Another idea is to use it fresh in salads, sauces, and spreads. Eating garlic regularly can be a simple and powerful strategy to protect your health. And don't worry about the strong flavor, the benefits are worth it. Now get ready to discover the next food, which is a true antioxidant champion. The tomato hides incredible secrets to defend your body. Keep following. Tomato, the red weapon that defends your organism. Tomato, present in many everyday recipes, is one of the foods most studied by science when it comes to cancer prevention. Rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes have the ability to neutralize free radicals, which are responsible for cellular damage and are directly related to the development of various types of cancer. Studies carried out by the National Cancer Institute show that men who consume more than 10 servings of tomatoes per week are 18% less likely to develop prostate cancer. Furthermore, tomatoes are also associated with a reduced risk of breast, lung, and stomach cancer. This protective effect is due to the combination of lycopene, beta-carotene, lutein, and other antioxidants that strengthen the body. To maximize its benefits, prefer to consume cooked tomatoes or in the form of a fresh sauce, as heat increases the bioavailability of lycopene. Preparing a homemade sauce with ripe tomatoes is a practical and tasty way to include this food in your routine. And remember, swap industrialized sauces for fresh versions to ensure a healthier diet. The tomato is proof that small choices can make a big difference. Are you curious to know what is the next food that could revolutionize your health? Cruciferous vegetables, like cabbage, hold surprising secrets. Keep watching and find out. Cabbage and its relatives, the miracle greens that protect your health. Cruciferous vegetables, such as cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, are true allies in preventing cancer. These foods contain bioactive compounds such as isothiocyanates and glucosinolates, which have potent anti-cancer properties. These compounds help eliminate toxic substances from the body and inhibit the growth of cancer cells without harming healthy cells. Research carried out by universities such as Oregon and Alabama has proven that people who regularly consume cruciferous vegetables are much less likely to develop cancer. Studies show that a daily intake of about 200 grams of these vegetables can significantly reduce the risk of lung, colon, breast, and prostate cancer. Including cabbage and its relatives in your diet is simple and delicious. Try preparing them raw in salads, lightly sautéed in olive oil, or even in soups. Red cabbage in particular is rich in anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. To vary the menu, kimchi, a fermented dish made with cabbage, is also an excellent choice, as it combines the benefits of vegetables with those of probiotic bacteria. With so many options and benefits, it's easy to add these green heroes to your everyday life. And don't miss, the next topic reveals how beans and lentils can act as a true natural shield against cancer. Stay with us. Beans and lentils, the natural shield against cancer. Beans and lentils, so present in Brazilian cuisine, go far beyond enriching our meals with flavor and nutrients. These foods, belonging to the legume family, are known for their anti-cancer properties and their incredible ability to protect the body against different types of tumors. Long-term research, including a study of more than 114,000 people, shows that regular consumption of beans and lentils is associated with a significant reduction in the risk of prostate, bowel, and pancreatic cancer. These foods are rich in fiber, plant proteins, and bioactive compounds that help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and protect cells against damage. A notable feature of beans and lentils is the presence of phytochemicals, such as saponins and protease inhibitors, which slow the growth of cancer cells and prevent them from multiplying. Furthermore, the high amount of dietary fiber helps eliminate toxins from the digestive tract, protecting against colorectal cancer. To include these legumes in your routine, try adding them to soups, salads, stews, and even vegetable burgers. A practical tip is to soak the beans for at least 8 hours before cooking, which facilitates digestion and improves nutrient absorption. With so many benefits, beans and lentils become essential for a healthy and preventive diet. But we don't stop there. The next item on the list features an ancient drink that is a true health secret: green tea. Keep watching to find out more. Green tea, the secret drink of the Eastern wise people. Green tea, a drink consumed for centuries across cultures, is known for its multiple health benefits, and cancer prevention is at the top of that list. Rich in catechins, extremely powerful antioxidant compounds, green tea is capable of neutralizing free radicals and preventing cellular damage that can lead to the development of tumors. Scientific research shows that regular consumption of green tea is associated with a significant reduction in the risk of breast, prostate, bladder, and gastrointestinal tract cancers. The highlight is epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a specific catechin that acts directly to interrupt the growth of cancer cells and induce their self-destruction while preserving healthy cells. Furthermore, green tea has anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties, helping the body eliminate toxic substances that can trigger carcinogenic processes. Its concentration of antioxidants is up to 3 times greater than that of black tea, making it a superior choice for those looking to strengthen their health. To include green tea in your routine, prefer to consume it fresh and without artificial sweeteners. 1 or 2 cups a day are enough to start reaping its benefits. If you prefer, combine it with lemon or ginger for a touch of extra flavor and more benefits. Green tea is more than a drink. It is a true protective shield for your body. And now, get ready to discover the next item on the list. Red fruits, small treasures of nature that hide an immense power of prevention. Keep following. Red fruits, delicats that hide unimaginable power. Berries such as strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries are not just delicious. They are true treasures of nature, loaded with properties that help prevent cancer. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and bioactive compounds that offer powerful protection for our body's cells. The bioflavonoids present in red fruits activate vitamin C, known for its essential role in neutralizing free radicals. Furthermore, studies show that polyphenols and anthocyanins, present in large quantities in these fruits, are capable of inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing inflammation, factors that contribute to the development of tumors. Research also highlights that regular consumption of red fruits is associated with a reduced risk of breast, intestinal, and esophageal cancer. The secret is to incorporate them into your daily life. Replace sugary desserts with a serving of fresh berries, add them to yogurt, or prepare nutritious smoothies. In addition to their irresistible flavor, red fruits are a smart choice to protect your health. And what comes next on the list is equally surprising. Grapes, a natural gift full of antioxidant properties. Stay with us to find out more. Grapes, the antioxidant elixir that revolutionizes your health. Grapes, especially the red and purple varieties, are much more than just tasty fruits. They contain a powerful compound called resveratrol, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which plays an essential role in preventing cancer. Resveratrol is mainly concentrated in grape skins and has the ability to prevent cellular damage that can lead to the development of tumors. It works by interrupting the processes that allow the mutation and proliferation of cancer cells, protecting against cancers such as breast, colon, prostate, and skin. Studies indicate that regular consumption of grapes or their derivatives can significantly reduce these risks. Additionally, grapes are rich in vitamins C and K, which strengthen the immune system and promote cellular health. To include grapes in your routine, try consuming them fresh as a snack, adding them to salads, or preparing natural juices, using the skin to enhance the benefits of resveratrol. If access to fresh grapes is limited, red wine consumed in moderation may also offer similar benefits due to the concentration of resveratrol. But remember, excessive alcohol consumption can have harmful effects, so moderation is key. Grapes are a perfect example of how nature presents us with foods that can protect our health. Now let's explore another group of foods that come straight from the sea: fatty fish. Keep following and discover how they can transform your health. Fat fish, the secret of the seas for a protected body. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel are true allies for health and cancer prevention. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their ability to reduce inflammation and protect cells against damage that can lead to the development of tumors. Studies show that regular consumption of fatty fish is associated with a significant reduction in the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Omega-3 not only stops inflammatory processes, but also helps regulate the immune system and inhibit the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. In addition to omega-3, fatty fish contain selenium, vitamin D, and high-quality proteins, which contribute to the general strengthening of the body. Research indicates that people who include fresh fish in their meals at least 3 times a week are up to 53% less likely to develop bowel cancer. If you don't have easy access to these fish, consider supplementing your diet with high-quality omega-3 capsules. However, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation. Adopting the habit of consuming fatty fish can be a decision that transforms your health. And speaking of transformation, the next topic features 2 vibrant and powerful vegetables, pumpkins and carrots. Stay with us to discover its incredible benefits. Pumpkins and carrots, the colorful allies that strengthen your immune system. Pumpkins and carrots, with their vibrant colors and sweet flavor, are nature's true gifts when it comes to strengthening health and preventing cancer. Both vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that is transformed into vitamin A in the body and plays a fundamental role in cellular protection. Research indicates that regular consumption of foods rich in beta-carotene significantly reduces the risk of breast, prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. This powerful antioxidant works by neutralizing free radicals, protecting cell DNA against mutations that can lead to the development of tumors. Furthermore, beta-carotene strengthens the immune system, making the body more resistant to diseases. Studies also show that consuming raw carrots is associated with up to a 26% reduction in the risk of stomach cancer. Pumpkin, rich in fiber and nutrients, helps maintain intestinal health, a crucial factor in preventing colorectal cancer. To make the most of the benefits of these vegetables, eat raw carrots in salads or as snacks, and use pumpkin in soups, purees, or roasts. Both options are versatile and easy to include in your everyday life. With their incredible benefits, pumpkins and carrots are smart choices to support your health. And now get ready to discover the last item on this list, walnuts, small but powerful in the fight against cancer. Keep watching and find out more. Walnuts, the surprising natural solution against cancer. Nuts, despite being small, are loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that play a significant role in preventing cancer. They contain a substance called ellagic acid, which helps protect cellular DNA from damage and inhibit the growth of tumor cells. Additionally, walnuts are rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that reduce inflammation and strengthen the immune system. A study carried out with women undergoing treatment for breast cancer revealed that consuming just 2 nuts a day significantly improved the response to treatment. Ellagic acid acts directly on cancer cells, preventing their development, while antioxidants fight free radicals that can cause mutations in DNA. To incorporate nuts into your routine, add them to salads, smoothies, yogurts, or consume them as a quick and healthy snack. In addition to being practical, they offer impressive health benefits and are a nutritious choice to complement any diet. Nuts wrap up our list of power foods, but the journey to protecting your health with smart choices is just beginning. Now, let's bring all this information together into a motivating finale to inspire you to take action. Keep watching and see how to transform your lifestyle for stronger, more resilient health. Food is a powerful tool to protect and strengthen our body. Every choice we make at the table has the potential to directly impact our health, helping to prevent serious diseases such as cancer. The 14 foods we explore here are more than just ingredients. They're valuable allies on your wellness journey. By incorporating foods like avocados, flax seeds, garlic, tomatoes, cruciferous vegetables, berries, and fatty fish into your routine, you are investing in a healthier future full of vitality. Small changes in everyday life, such as replacing desserts with fruit or preparing a dish with fresh vegetables, can make a huge difference in the quality of your life. Remember that prevention begins with simple and informed actions. And of course, always consult a healthcare professional for specific guidance on your diet and lifestyle. The path to a healthier life is in your hands, and the time to act is now. Don't leave caring for your health for later. Choose foods that work in your favor. Adopt healthy habits and transform your diet into a true shield against cancer. Your health deserves this special attention, and each step taken is an advance towards a longer and fuller life. Nature offers us everything we need to live better. Take advantage of this wisdom and share these tips with those you love. Together, we can make conscious choices and build a healthier future. Take care of yourself and be the best version of yourself every day.